Hello and welcome back to my unboxing channel. So I hope you're already aware by now what I'm talking about. You might have seen the thumbnail. So yes, the wait is over. So those who don't know, I have another channel where I upload travel vlogs regularly. I used to upload travel vlogs on a regular basis, but of late, I think maybe a couple of months I've not been active on that channel. And a lot of you have been asking me why I have stopped uploading videos, why I'm not so active. So the reason is I was using this laptop to edit my videos earlier. This is the HP Pavilion P045TX, which is an 8-year-old system, and it's an i7 processor. But still, the processor was not able to handle the videos I used to shoot, like 4K and 360 videos. It's having a tough time handling that. So that's the reason I'm not able to edit videos since a couple of months now. But that's when I decided to go for a new laptop. So finally I have the new laptop with me. So it's very bit heavy. So as you can see, it's very big. So this is a 15-inch screen and this is a 17-inch display. So I have kept this laptop just to compare between those two. So this is the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 17. So this is a 17-inch model and I have ordered it through Amazon. Pricing and all details you will find in the description. So let me first try to unbox it. And this is where it opens. So I expected a bit better packaging from Amazon, but I think they just gave a simple box. I expected some cushioning, which I didn't get, but it's okay. There is minimal cushioning, like this paper stuff they've provided. This is the receipt. And yes, this is the laptop. So this is the ASUS box which comes, and yes, I have to check the seal. The seal is there, which is good. And let me tell you what's in the box. So the model is G733ZW, and the color is off black. It's a 17.3-inch WQHD display, and processor is Intel i9 12th generation 12900, and the storage is 1 TB SSD, 16 GB into 232 GB RAM, Wi-Fi 6. It comes with Windows 11 Home, and that's what it is. So let's not waste time and open this box. The manufacture month and year is March 2022, and the import month is April 2022, which is good. And I have now cut the seal. So let me turn it around for you. And when you open it, this is what you get. So this is the laptop, and you see ROG branding all over. And this should be the power brick. Yes. So this is the power cable. And this is the power brick, which is really big. This is very big. It's like a brick actually. Okay, so the power brick, power cable. There is one more cable. I think this is for the camera. If you take it backwards, then the laptop gets lifted up. Let me take out the laptop, which is very heavy actually. So this is the laptop, and what else do we get? So here we get another box in which we get some paperwork, and what else? There are a lot of things that they have provided. Okay, this is the exclusive product of Scar models. So this is a key. I'll tell you about it later. And nothing else inside. Let's keep the paperwork aside. and you get some spare ROG branding over here. You can change it, so this is a really good thing. And yes, you get something else. So let me open it. It's the webcam. It's the webcam that you get. There are some paperwork which I don't need. So let me open this. Yes, this is the webcam that you get. External webcam, because this laptop does not come with a webcam. So it's good that we got a webcam, and this is the mount. Okay, and what else do we get? Anything else? Nothing. So that's all what we get. So let me keep this box aside. And now coming back to the laptop. Let me open it up. So this looks really good, really premium, and it's very big as well. And you can see the vents all over. Really good work has been done, even below the laptop as well. So this is really good. You see the ROG branding over here. This is the ROG logo. So let me turn this around for you. And 1, 2, 3. So this is how it looks. It looks really good, really premium. This material is kind of transparent kind of thing, so that you can see what's beneath it. You get the ROG branding here, Intel sticker, the NVIDIA RTX sticker. This is a big 17-inch display. So by the meantime, I boot it up. Let me give you the specification. So the processor is an Intel Core i9 12900H processor, which is clocked at a speed of up to 5 GHz. It has 14 cores, of which there are 6 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. The screen resolution is 2560 by 1440 pixels. This laptop is equipped with a 4 Dolby speaker system. So now the laptop is all set up. So let me just power it on. So this is the effects that you get. Wow. And you get the ROG Republic of Gamers logo. And then we get the lock screen. Let me unlock it. So this is a desktop, and let me tell you first about the display. The first thing that you see in a laptop is the display, and this display is a 2K WQHD display, and the color quality is brilliant. The color depth is brilliant, and the color accuracy is really awesome. And let me tell you, this thing is a matte finish display, so you don't get that glossy problem. So this is really good. And then you can see this lighting effect on the keyboard. Not only the keyboard, the lighting effect is there beneath the laptop as well. There is a LED strip. So let me show it to you. So this strip starts from here all the way from here then to the other side. So this is really good, and for a gaming laptop it gives a really good impression, and I really love this effect. And that's not it, you get the lighting on the backside as well. So as you can see, this ASUS logo, this is also in sync with all the other lightings. So this is really good thing. And if you want to control these lightings, you can do that in the Armory crate. So this is ASUS in-house own software. So this will give you all the details about your laptop, the laptop temperature, the CPU status, the memory and storage status, the fan speed also. You get the GPU fan, CPU fan, and fan acoustics, the dB decibels of the fan. There are much more information than needed. and you get the GPU stats here as well, and this is the mux switch which you get. And if you go ahead, you get the various effects, like this is in game visual effect, so you can change it to the other effects available. So this is scenery, this is RTS RPG, this is FPS, cinema mode, then you have the eye care mode, which is really good. I mean, if you're working in nights, then this mode is really good. Then you get the vivid mode, then you have the default mode, and this is the aura sync that you have. So let me open it directly from here. So this is the aura effects. The effect right now which is in front of you, that is the rainbow effect. Then apart from that, you have the starry night. So here you can see the lights glittering like the stars. Then you have the music effect, which will not play now because it will be in sync with the music. If you play any music, it will be in sync with that. Then you have the smart effect. Smart effect, the light changes colors according to the temperature. So if your CPU is cool, then it will show green. If it is warm, then you get yellow. If it is hot, then you get red effect. So now it's somewhere in between. Then you have the adaptive color. So the adaptive color is nothing but basically it takes the color from your Windows theme. So this is how the adaptive color works. And then dark means you stop all the effects. Then you have the static effect, so you get all in red. Then you have the breathing effect. So as you can see, this is the breathing effect, and you get the strobe effect, and you get the color cycle. You get green first, then you get blue, which turns into purple, pink, then red, then again turns back to green, and you have the back to the rainbow effect. I like this effect very much. So that's how it is, and in rainbow effects you get a lot of patterns, so you can change it accordingly. Now let's go back to the home. So you have device settings here. So now you have the setting for keystone. Okay, so before I go to keystone, okay, let me show you the keystone. So this is the keystone, I showed it to you earlier. So this comes with a very good premium quality ring as well, key ring. So we just need to take it out and just look at this keyboard. So once I put it inside, so this is the effect that you get, which is really good. And the basic purpose of the keystone is you can assign any specific functions to it. If you want to open any particular apps, like if you are a gamer, so you can assign your favorite game, like you love PUBG, you can assign PUBG to it. So once you insert the keystone, PUBG will execute directly, no need of going to start menu or desktop icon or click or open anything. Just insert the keystone and your game starts. So it's really cool. You can also lock your laptop with using the keystone. So if you take out the keystone, the laptop will lock. If you put it in, then it will unlock. So you can assign that those settings as well to the keystone. So it's really doable by this application. So the lighting is turning off just because it's in battery mode, and to save power, it's just turning it off. So that's about the keystone. And you have the various game visual which I showed you earlier. You have default racing, scenery, RTS, RPG, vivid, IKEA, cinema, and FPS mode. And you have the game library. You can list your game here, so it's not a big deal. And you can create your own scenario profiles. And that's all about this Armory crate. Apart from Armory crate, you get ASUS own software, in-house software, which is MyAsus. So here you can get your system details, you can get your battery health, you can get all the other information. So if you go to I like this battery thing really very much. So there are 3 modes, as you can see. There is a full capacity mode. So this is the normal mode which we basically use, like we charge the battery to the full capacity, then we take out the charger, then after it is discharged, then we charge it again. So this is the balance mode. So in this mode, what happens is the battery charges up to 80% and then stops charging. So your battery is not overcharging here, and you can use the laptop to the full capacity. And this is the maximum lifespan mode. The only difference is that here the battery charges to 60% capacity, and it stretches the battery life actually. And you can, since your laptop is already plugged in, so you can use the laptop up to its full performance mode, and you do not face any lag or any problem, any issues, any power down issues, you don't face it. So this is a really good thing which I like about it. So now closing this thing, I think I missed showing you one more lighting effect. So just let me show it to you. So I think you can see one more lighting effect below the display. So this is also in sync with other lighting. So this is really good. I noticed it a bit late. So this is also producing a good effect. And let me tell you, there are certain things in this laptop which is only exclusive to Scar model. So as I told you earlier, ASUS ROG laptops come in two types. One is the Scar series and the other is the G series. Both series have the 15 and 17-inch displays, but there are certain things which are exclusive to the Scar series which you don't get in the G series. G series do not have QHD display. They always have the FHD display. For going for QHD display, you have to opt for Scar models. And in G series, you do not get this lighting effect which is below the display. You don't get this. You get this strip, of course. You get the perky RGB lighting as well. And as you can see, this logo is also glowing. You do not get this glowing logo in the G series. This is exclusive to the Scar models. And of course, this keystone, this you get only with the Scar models, not with the G series. So that's how it is, and the keyboard is really brilliant. It's a perky RGB lighting, so you can customize each and every keyboard lighting, which is really good. And now coming to the laptop speed. Laptop is really very speed. This is of course a 12th generation i9 processor. So you saw how quickly it just booted up. So now let me show you a game, and then we'll close this video. So before playing game, I need to plug it in because it's running in battery and the battery power is 41%. So now coming to the adapter. So this is the adapter that you get. It's really a brick. So this is my palm, this is the adapter, and this covers whole of my palm. So this is really a brick. And the thing which I don't like about it is this 3-pin top. This is a 16 amps 3-pin top, which is, I don't know why they have provided. This is not an induction cooktop or something. For a laptop, a 16 ampere power adapter, I don't understand why they have provided this. So it's very difficult to find a socket for this type of plugs. So this is one thing which I don't like about it. And the wires are really thick. This is the cable which goes to the laptop. So you can see the thickness of this wire. This is really good. The wire quality, everything is good, but except this plug. This is a 16 amps plug. So I'll have a hard time finding a charging point for that. So we'll see. So now let me just power it up, then we'll see a game review. So I have now plugged in the laptop, so I'll now show you a game and we'll close this video. So this is Asphalt 9. And I won the race. And with that, it's time to end this video. Hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and share these videos with anyone who would like to buy his new laptop. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and goodbye. So लैपटॉप का पहला इंप्रेशन बहुत ही बढ़िया, बहुत ही प्रीमियम लग रहा है, बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है एक्चुअली मेरे को. मतलब इसका बिल्ड क्वालिटी अगर आप देखोगे, इसका टच एंड फील देखोगे, बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. ये मेटल, इसका जो बैक कवर है ये मेटल है, और इसमें ROG का ब्रांडिंग भी दिया गया है. यहाँ पे आपको ROG का लोगो मिल जाता है, और यहाँ पे ROG के कैप्स मिल जाते हैं. ये रिप्लेसेबल है, मैंने आपको जैसे पहले बताया था. तो अब इसको निकाल के दूसरा भी लगा सकते हो लाइक दिस. अगर आपको ये पसंद नहीं है तो आपको एक ट्रांसपेरेंट वाला मिल जाता है, वो भी लगा सकते हो. तो काफ़ी बढ़िया है ये एक्चुअली. सो बिल्ड क्वालिटी इसका भी बहुत बढ़िया है, और इसके अंदर बस कुछ नहीं, आपको हिंज दिखेगा और कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. सो मैं ये वाला लगा देता हूँ फिलहाल के लिए. कीपिंग दिस असाइड, तो लैपटॉप ओपन करने से पहले मैं आपको लैपटॉप का एक फिजिकल ओवरव्यू भी दे देता हूँ. सो ये रहा ऊपर का, और अगर हम नीचे का देखें तो नीचे आपको बहुत सारे वेंट्स मिल जाते हैं. यहाँ पे लिखा है बैक ऑन टॉप, ROG लोगो दिया गया है फॉर दोज हू डेयर, और काफ़ी सारे इनपुट वेंट्स आपको मिल जाते हैं. यहाँ पे सीरियल नंबर वगैरह सब लिखा हुआ है स्टिकर्स में. और यहाँ पे बॉटम फायरिंग स्पीकर्स 2 दिए गए हैं और 2 ऊपर होंगे यहाँ पे 2 स्पीकर्स हैं। सो इट्स रियली गुड। और यहाँ पे आपको एक वेंट मिल जाता है, ये कीस्टोन के लिए इसका पोर्ट है। इस साइड में अगर आप देखोगे एक और वेंट है और यहाँ पे 2 यूएसबी है, एक 3.5 mm जैक के लिए एक पोर्ट दिया गया है और बाकी सारे पोर्ट्स पीछे दिए गए जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। पावर केबल है, आपका लैन केबल है, आपका HDMI पोर्ट है, ये एक टाइप सी पोर्ट है और एक थंडरबोल्ट पोर्ट है। सो विच इज़ रियली गुड। थंडरबोल्ट पोर्ट आपको सिर्फ इंटेल प्रोसेसर से मिलेंगे, AMD में नहीं मिलता है ये। सो यू नीड टू कीप दैट इन माइंड। सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर द फिजिकल ओवरव्यू। अभी मैं इसको रखता हूँ ऐसे सो दैट मैं आपको दिखा सकूँ कि कैसा दिखता है। नाउ ओपनिंग इन 3, 2, 1। बहुत खुशी हो रही है नया लैपटॉप खोलते हुए। एंड yes, so this is it. This is a very big massive 17.3 inch display और यहाँ पे QHD 240 हर्ट्ज, इसका रिफ्रेश रेट जो है वो 240 हर्ट्ज का है और लिक्विड मेटल कूलिंग है। और यहाँ पे इसमें एक मग स्विच भी मिलता है जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है। इफ़ यू आर गेमर देन इट्स वेरी गुड थिंग। मग स्विच में होता क्या है, बेसिकली आप इनबिल्ट ग्राफिक्स कार्ड जो इंटेल का रहता है उसमें इसमें इंटेल आइरिस XE ग्राफिक्स है, आप वो यूज़ कर सकते हो। अगर आप नहीं चाहते हो देन यू कैन यूज़ डायरेक्टली NVIDIA का ग्राफिक्स जो इसमें दिया गया है वो यूज़ कर सकते हो। सो इट्स रियली गुड थिंग। DDR5 4800 मेगाहर्ट्ज का आपको रैम मिल जाता है और उसके अलावा आपको मिलता है डॉल्बी विजन एटमॉस डिस्प्ले विच इज़ रियली गुड। सो यहाँ पे इंटेल कोर 99 का ब्रांडिंग है, यहाँ पे NVIDIA GeForce RTX का ब्रांडिंग है एंड दिस इज हाउ इट्स लुक्स। यहाँ पे एक ROG का ब्रांडिंग भी दिया गया है डायगनली और ब्रांडिंग के इस तरफ का जो पोर्शन है ये ट्रांसपेरेंट है, ये ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है, ये पोर्शन जो है ये ट्रांसपेरेंट है। तो आपको एक्चुअली दिखता है कि इसके अंदर नीचे क्या है, जो कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। बहुत लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगता है लेकिन मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है। सो इट रियली लुक्स गुड। एंड ये साइड ओपेक है एंड टच एंड फील इसका बहुत बढ़िया है, मतलब वेलवेट टच है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, प्रीमियम लग रहा है। सो अभी बिना किसी देरी के इसको ऑन करते हैं। 3, 2, 1 गो। इफेक्ट्स देख रहे हो, जबरदस्त।